Ho, ho, ho there, Corkies. Today we are taking you all the way to Russia to do a day 6 of 12 days of Christmas cocktails. And we take you to Moscow to do Moscow Mule. Stay tuned.
Hey everyone, welcome to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video.
Alright, so we're making Moscow Mules Christmas style today. Yeah, I must have tricked you with my accent at the beginning. I'm not really from Russia, but I probably fooled some of you if you're new here.
You fooled me.
Yeah.
I'm married to you.
Exactly. So.
Okay. So,
how do we do this Christmas Moscow Mule? We don't have a traditional Moscow Mule glass, but we're going with this cool mason jar mug.
Alright, so it's really easy. There's only
this is an easy, super easy one.
So this recipe calls for 1/4 cup frozen cranberries for topping, 4 ounces vodka. It's for topping. For topping, yep. 4 ounces vodka, 8 ounces ginger beer, and 4 ounces cranberry juice. So we're obviously not making that much. So we'll probably like half it at least. So first thing you do is add ice, 6 or 7 ice cubes, and half the cranberries.
Cranberries. How many cranberries roughly? Does it matter?
It said 1/4 of a cup in the recipe, so that's good. That's
all right, cranberries.
All right, pour in half the vodka. So I
half
just
of it.
do.
Half of how much?
Of the bottle. This says 4 ounces, so I just do like 2.
Whoa, okay. This is very large. 2.
Okay. Pour in half the ginger beer, so like half that bottle.
Wow. No, it's not a twist off. Go get a. And we're back.
Couldn't use your brute strength to open that up.
Oh shucks.
Okay, so I'd put in most of that actually, since those are only 6 ounces. And then stir it up.
What about the cranberry juice? Did you put that in yet?
Oh, yep. And yeah, and the cranberry juice.
How much?
4 ounces, it says.
All right.
And then top with a few more frozen cranberries.
What about the rest of this stuff? No?
I mean, you can throw it in.
Do we
if
have
you
enough?
Want. Yeah. This recipe.
What about vodka? Do we put more vodka in?
No. This recipe.
Then why'd you say half?
Because we're halving the recipe.
Oh. A little more cranberries on top.
Yeah, and just stir it in, and there you go. Ooh.
Lost one there. All right. Give it a try.
Okay. I like it.
Ooh.
It's got some good fizz from the ginger beer. The cranberry is great with the vodka.
I love normal Moscow Mules.
Yeah.
And this is a great holiday twist to it.
Yeah, I agree.
Mm. That is so refreshing.
So I think that this recipe basically makes 2 of these. Like
yeah.
we basically half the recipe. So.
Yeah, so that's awesome. So make sure, if you haven't checked out our other 5 Christmas cocktails out of our 12 days of Christmas cocktails, be sure to check those out. And if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, it's a lot easier to get notified when we have those videos. Mm-hmm. But also, if you join our Facebook group at Cork and Java on Facebook, we also post our stuff there. And we're also posting a wine advent calendar, some live reviews of each day's wine that we get out of that wine advent calendar, and from Lidl. So it's a really cool place where there's a lot of cool interaction between the different fans of the show and just people looking for wine or coffee advice. It's a great place down there. You can also follow us on Twitter and check us out on Pinterest as well. And until next time,
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up.